Hey guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, I want to show you how difficult life is here in Canada in winters. So right now the temperature is like feels like minus 29. Can you imagine? And still I have to clean this snow, and see, because of this harsh winter, even concrete cracking is going on. You can see because of underground water, the settling is shifting. I hope I don't get too much of expensive bill. Okay, so because it's minus 29, and so first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a shovel and I'm gonna remove the first layer of snow. Okay, and then I'm gonna put salt because it's sunny day. That's good. So sun rays are gonna help me. See this is my neighbor's. It's frozen. Oh my god, this could be dangerous. This could be really dangerous. This is really dangerous. Like, you, if you have exhaust in your house, make sure all exhaust on inlet outlet are absolutely clear, because if ice or snow blocks them, this could be disastrous. This is a disaster. Let me, oh my god, yeah, I broke the snow. That's very important. Ice, I mean to say. So if you have a house, if anything like this happens, this could be disastrous. And you know what, for my neighbor, I'm gonna tell him, you see these cracks, this is gonna increase his energy bills. And I see other cracks also. This is not good. This winter is really harsh. See here, I have sealed, but lot of snow has been accumulating. Okay, anyway, continuing. So I'm gonna bring a shovel and start. So after that I did salting. That's all I could do, guys. It's damn cold. Feels like minus 30, and with wind blowing, it's damn difficult. So this is a reflection of daily life here in Canada, especially in extreme winter. Imagine if somebody has to walk out even for 10 minutes to buy groceries or to go to a bus stop. At least I have a car, so I can do better in that way. But many people, those who don't have, it's going to be too difficult for them. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you.